Okay, what we're going to do here is trying to get the Hatsan 155 alive, putting it on pressure with this mountain bike front fork suspension pump. Very simple, straightforward pump. We are now at 20.5 minus 1 in here from here. We do it a little more. 21 or yeah, 21. It's about still 21 and a half. It's about 22. While releasing it, also some air got lost, so I have to do it fast. This is the straighter fan tail. Let's see if it works. Doing a JSB King 0.25. Locked. Right through it, 18 millimeters, multiplex. Cocking effort was very light. See. Goes right through it. It was not even at full power.